Anterior nares. So, nasan palagay niya anterior nares? Opening. Yan. Anterior nares.
Sumako na.
Yan. Anterior nares. Okay? Okay. You look at your own anterior nares. Ayan, oh. Oh, feel it. Those who don't have gloves. Okay. Very good. And then,
Anterior
Nasal vestibule.
vestibule is the one here. Ayan. Where you have the hair. Here. Okay?
Hair.
Okay?
Sumako na
Septum
ba?
is here. There's no septum. This is part of the septum. The one that divides the two. Yan, this is part. Diba? Wala na siya.
Where is it supposed to be?
Supposed to be here. This is part of it. Diba? The one that divides your two. Nasal cavity, your nasal cavity into two. Okay? That's why you have a right and a left. Ang vestibule, ito. Nandito. Ito. Pagpasok ng kamay mo, kapay niya ang vestibule niya. Ano kinukuha niyo ron? Oh. Now you know. Okay, and then?
Hard and soft palate.
Okay, then this is nasal vestibule. Septum.
Hard
Okay.
and soft palate.
Okay, where is the hard? This is hard palate. Okay. And this is soft palate. That separates the oral cavity from the nasal cavity. That's why if you have cleft palate, diba, this one is open. So, what forms your, do you still remember the palatine shelves? From your maxillary prominence. They're the one that fused in embryology. That forms your palate, hard and soft. So this one is hard because it is bony, and this is soft. Okay? So again, septum, hard and soft palate, quanae. Where is quanae? This is your nasal cavity, right? Nasal, and this is your nasopharynx. At the end of the soft palate, that is the end of your nasopharynx. This is the beginning of your nasopharynx, the quanae. So it's only a space. This one, this is the space.
Quanae. Space.
Okay? Nako, bawal yan ha. Don't take pictures, see ha. This is quanae. So this is your nasal cavity, nasopharynx. Here, up to here. Yeah, it's, diba ang, before, this quanae is here anterior, but because of the development of this one, it is being pushed to the posterior. That is the cavity, the one that communicates from this cavity to this cavity. Quanae. Quana. A. Okay, again, next. So what are these? These are your frontal sinus, and this one is your sphenoid sinus. Okay, sandali na lang. Okay. So this is your,
Students, pasok na kayo sa projection room. Nandiyan na daw yung radio.
So this one is your sphenoid sinus. This is your frontal sinus. Okay, and then you will have here elevation. They always give this. The one here, superior concha. In superior meatus, middle concha, middle meatus, inferior concha, inferior meatus. If there is a membrane, that is what you call turbinates. Pag may mucosa, tawag yan turbinates. Ngayon, pag bone nilang yan, superior concha, middle concha, inferior concha, superior meatus, middle meatus, inferior meatus. Meatus is depression. Alam nyo, sa side question yan, what are the sinuses that drains into your sinuses? Ito your meatus pala. Okay? It's there in your book. It should be.
What are the sinuses?
And then this one is the nasopharynx. What is important is the opening here. That is the opening of the eustachian tube. That connects it to the middle ear. Okay? This is your eustachian tube here. Okay? And then, okay, now here. So this one is your epiglottis. 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 This is your cricoid.
Cartilage.
Thyroid cartilage. Cricoid cartilage is here. And the muscles that connect your thyroid to the cricoid is your cricothyroid muscle. This is the one. Tutukan yan. Larynx na to. And then, you open the top. So this one is your, okay, epiglottis. This is your epiglottis. Thyroid cartilage, cricoid, supraglottis region, glottis, infraglottis. So this one is the vestibule. This one is this part, this one. Okay? Open this up. Sino may gloves? Hold it. Okay? Sige, I'll do it fast. You can return if you want later. Here, this is your true vocal fold. This is your vestibular fold. In between is your ventricle. Okay? Vocal fold, vestibular fold, and this is your ventricle. When you put them together, these two, the space between these two is your prima glottidis. This is the false vocal. This is the false vocal cord, and this is the true vocal cord. This one is the false, and this one is the true vestibular fold, and this is your vocal fold. And this is your infraglottic. This is glottic region. Above that is supraglottic, glottic, and infraglottic. Okay. Now you go now. If you have after that, if you want, I can still continue as well.
Yes, please.
Okay.